Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at a simple almond and wondered what it actually takes to get it to your table? Because what I'm about to show you isn't as simple as it seems. Every single year, American farmers harvest over 2.6 billion pounds of almonds. That sounds impressive, right? But behind that number, there's a story most people never see. Almonds aren't just a crunchy snack. They're packed with healthy fats and nutrients, and behind them is a massive, almost unbelievable system. From baking ingredients to salted snacks to rich almond toffee, these tiny nuts quietly power an industry worth billions. And today, you're going to see the entire journey, from the endless almond orchards of California to the high-tech facilities where they are transformed into the products you recognize. But here's the twist. Once you see how it all works, you may never look at almonds the same way again. The story doesn't start at harvest. It starts years earlier. Long before a single almond is picked, young trees are planted deep in California's Central Valley, often called the almond capital of the world. Row after row, perfectly aligned, almost too perfect. These trees aren't just growing. They're being managed with precision. Water doesn't just fall from the sky here, it's controlled. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, drop by drop, leaving almost nothing to waste, while sprinkler systems spread nutrients across the soil like a carefully planned operation. Every drop, every second is calculated, because in this system, efficiency isn't optional, it's everything. During the first couple of years, farmers aren't chasing almonds. They're building the future. Branches are cut, reshaped, and controlled. Machines move through the orchards, trimming away anything that doesn't fit the plan. Nothing is random here. By the third or fourth year, something incredible happens. The trees explode into soft pink and white blossoms. It looks peaceful, almost magical, but beneath that beauty, there's chaos. Over 2 million beehives are brought in, making this the largest pollination event on Earth. Millions of bees working nonstop. Without them, this entire system collapses. It's a silent partnership between nature and human ambition, and it has to work perfectly. Because by the 7th year, these trees reach their peak, and they'll keep producing almond for over 2 decades, but only if everything goes right. Months pass, the summer heat intensifies, and then something changes. By late summer, the green outer hull of the almond begins to split open, like a signal, like nature saying it's time. And that's when the real operation begins. This is where things get intense. You might expect careful hand-picking, but what actually happens is far more aggressive. Massive machines known as tree shakers move into position. They grab onto the trunks and then shake them violently, not gently, not carefully, violently, until thousands of almonds rain down to the ground. It's loud, chaotic, and incredibly efficient. This machine is a masterpiece of engineering, a powerful mechanical arm driven by hydraulics, designed to do one thing: force the almonds to let go. Within seconds, entire trees are stripped and the ground is covered. But the process doesn't stop there. Next comes a sweeper, a machine that moves with surprising precision. Rotating brushes gather the fallen almonds into long, clean rows called windrows. Everything is organized and controlled because speed matters. But so does quality. Every movement is designed to avoid damage, because even a small crack can mean rejection later. After a few days of drying under the sun, another machine enters, the pickup. It moves across the orchard floor, pulling in almonds like a vacuum. But it doesn't just collect, it filters. Leaves, dust, and twigs are removed instantly, leaving only clean almond behind, ready for the next stage. And just like that, billions of almonds are harvested. This system is so efficient that the United States now controls nearly 80% of the global almond market. But here's where things take another turn, because what you've seen so far, that's only the beginning. The almonds are transported to massive processing facilities, and this is where the real transformation happens. They arrive dirty, covered in debris, still protected by their outer layers. First, they go through a brutal cleaning process. Large sticks are removed, air blasts away lighter debris. Vibrations shake loose dirt and stones, and even the smallest twigs are eliminated. Nothing unwanted survives this stage. Then comes hulling, where the outer layer is stripped away using rotating machines and friction systems. After that, the almonds are sent across gravity tables, where even the slightest difference in weight separates good from bad. Then cameras take over, scanning every almond and detecting cracks, scratches, and imperfections. Anything that doesn't meet the standard is removed. This is no longer just farming. This is precision inspection at an entirely different level. Next, the shells are cracked open using specialized machines that apply just enough force to break the shell without damaging the kernel inside. It's a delicate balance. Once removed, the almonds are sorted by size. Smaller ones go one way. Larger ones continue forward for premium products. Then robots step in, guided by cameras, removing defective almonds with a level of precision humans simply can't match. Still, human workers perform a final inspection, because even machines can make mistakes. And here, mistakes are costly. Then comes a critical step, pasteurization. Hot steam is applied briefly to kill harmful bacteria like salmonella, but without changing the almond's natural taste or texture. After that, packaging begins. Some almonds are sealed raw, while others are sent for further processing. Roasted almonds are heated at high temperatures until perfectly crisp, then coated with salt and sealed in airtight packaging. Almond toffee takes a different path. Sugar, butter, and syrup are heated into a rich golden mixture. Almonds are added, then poured, cooled, and broken into irresistible pieces. And here's the final twist. This tiny nut, something most people barely think about, generates nearly $20 billion every year. Powered almost entirely by California, driven by technology, precision, and relentless efficiency, almonds are more than just food. They're part of a massive global system. So now you've seen everything. From tree to table, from nature to automation. This is what it really takes to produce billions of pounds of almonds every year. So next time you pick up a handful, remember, there's a lot more behind it than you think. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more incredible stories like this. I'll see you in the next video.